Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fix Zone. Today, we're tackling a quick and easy iPhone trick: how to underline text in your messages. Let's get right to it. First things first, open up your Messages app. Now, pick the contact you want to message and start typing away. Get your message ready to go. Alright, here's the fun part. To underline, double tap on the word you want to emphasize. You should see it highlighted. See those little blue dots? You can drag them to adjust the highlighted area and select exactly what you want underlined. Now, look above the P key. You should see a format icon. Tap that. Bam! You're now on the formatting page. See that little U with a line under it? That's the underline icon. Tap it. And just like that, your formatting is applied. Now, tap back in the message area, the subject area, if you want to keep typing, or just hit send to send your underlined message off. And that's all there is to it. Super easy, right? If this video helped